There's a brand new platform gaining momentum called Bluesky. And if you're a content creator looking for mover advantage, you need to be there. But here's the question. Are you actually posting there or just saying you will? Now with repurpose.io, you don't have to choose because Bluesky is officially a supported destination. That means your content can go there automatically without touching a thing. And this might be your easiest opportunity to get ahead before it gets crowded. Let me show you how it works. And here's how to set it up. Step 1, inside repurpose.io, choose your source. So you just go to create new workflow. And on the left side, you can choose all the different sources. So TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whichever one you prefer. For this example, we'll just do TikTok. Step 2, select Bluesky as the destination. And step 3 is create workflow. And that's it. So from this point forward, every new video you post will automatically appear on Bluesky. No copy paste, no logging in, no extra steps. Now, what about all that great content you've already created? It deserves to be seen as well on Bluesky. Here's how to get that set up. Step 1, go to create new workflow and then go to repurpose existing content. For this example, we will be using Instagram as the source. Now on the right side, select Bluesky as the destination. Now simply click create workflow. And now all you have to do is select the number of posts per day that you want your existing content to drip out to Bluesky with. So for me, I'm going to do 3 posts per day. So every single day, 3 of my old pieces of content from Instagram will drip to Bluesky automatically. You've just turned your backlog into fresh growth on an entirely brand new platform. So this is the window most people will miss. They wait, they hesitate, and they don't show up early and they fall behind on all these different platforms. But you can get ahead of the curve without doing any extra work. So get started with the Repurpose account below and start posting automatically in minutes so that you can just post once and be everywhere.